Let me just mark the first rates, and the first rates will come up on second now. There you go. 89 points higher for the Nifty. It's uptick of about the breadth is where the big talking point is. I mean, for me, the breadth, I think, is the whole and soul of what is happening in the market, because the breadth is so powerful that it really does not matter what the Nifty is actually doing. I just want to mark Varun Beverages. I just want to mark some other stocks and use IT largely because of the Accenture numbers. Varun Beverages, yesterday it was Devyani, and Varun Beverages now. It's a bull market, guys. When the company is talking about expanding, going out, adding new geographies, markets like it. In a bear market, when company talks about expanding, going global, markets would say that, look, it's going to be capital allocation problem. So Varun Beverages is the top draw this Wednesday morning, followed by IT. Let's look at IT stocks. TCS, Infosys, Wipro. Nothing major from IT, major Accenture, but the impact on IT, I think some would say that the worst is behind. That is what you seems to be getting in terms of commentary from Accenture, and that I think is helping the mood for IT per se. You want to look at Zomato, 130 rupees. It made a new multi-month high, not far away from an all-time high now. It's a flat start, whereas Paytm, nothing large in terms of a move there. And then let's look at IRCTC, because it went up on Monday, came down on Tuesday, and it is off to a flat start this Wednesday.
Yeah. While of course the star performer is Varun Beverages, there's also Manappuram Finance. They ventured now into EV financing, and the Asirvad IPO is expected by about mid-Feb. There's also Embassy REITs. Blackstone is sought to exit Embassy REIT via an $833 million sale, so look out for that as well. Anupam Rasayan, wherein Tech has now initiated a buy, target price of 13.10. Deepak Nitride, we just told you that they've signed an MOU with Petronet LNG for about 15 years. So these are a bunch of stocks which are going to be in focus, as would be the case with BPCL as well. They're looking at setting up a polypropylene unit project at Kochi refinery for about 5,044 crore rupees. BPCL is roughly holding out in the green as we speak right now. There's Dalmia Bharat as well. Their operations have resumed at Kolhapur as well as Nina Devi units. There's Astral as well, wherein the promoter is likely to sell about 2% stake via a block. And yes, Tech Mahindra too. Mohit Joshi has now assumed office as the MD and CEO as CP Gurnani retires. RVNL is the other one in focus. The joint venture, they've been the lowest bidder for railway station project in Kerala, worth about 124 crore rupees. So look out for this too. There's Religare Enterprises as well. The Delhi High Court has now set aside a declaration of the lender's exposure to RFL as fraud. So look out for this particular tire. JK Tire, which has launched a QIP, floor price at 358 thereabouts. So lots of these small stocks which are in focus as we speak right now. But let's take stock of the first trades. Kunal, a record start once again, well above 21,500. What stocks are looking attractive to trade?
Yeah, so I think good start for the indices. In terms of the opening trade, Voltas is something which looks attractive at current levels. So that's a stock which you flagged off yesterday also, and about that 900 mark specifically. So would suggest a buy as well as look to buy the stock from a short-term kind of a time frame.
Right, Naresh, what are the first trades you're punching in?
So continue to like Motilal Oswal, accumulating it with a short-term view.
All right,